Me have a teeth that trick ya.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and today we are going to try a hack that I saw on Facebook. So the hack states that you can use any regular plastic false lash and you can make it look like a mink lash. All you need is a false lash that I have here and a spoolie. So we are going to see if this is true. Sorry for my surrounding noise because I am outside and I have a lot of people around me. So let's try to see if it works. First of all, before I start, I should tell you that these lashes are used lashes. I got them from my cousin. I'm not home, so I couldn't purchase one, nor could I find one because I didn't bring any with me. So let's try it on this one and we leave this one to see whether or not it will work. So they say all you need to do is kind of rough the lashes up so that it will blend out. Oh my god. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're using spoolie to rough up the lash a bit.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, come on. Say the word.
Okay, so basically what I see happening here is the spool is feathering out the lash. I'm not sure if it kind of make it look less plasticky in the sense where, because it's not neatly placed. So that's all I can say, but it kind of does make it look different. And as I stated early on, this is already used lash that my cousin had, so that's why I have to hold the ends of it because it was already off. Just place them back in the container that they came in. And what she did, she placed them on the wrong side as well, because you can see that this is the outer corner and this is the inner corner, so they're definitely on the wrong way. So this is how, so this is the original side where this was how it was before, and then this is how it is when I brush it out. So I do believe this hack works. However, I am not sure if it makes it look like mink lashes, but I do know that it just makes it look better than how it was, because this is how it was originally and this is how it is after brushing it out. So this one definitely does look better than this one. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment. Which one, what look different from what?
This, it look less plasticky.
And this look like, these are the original way it did look.
This look different. It look more rush. Rush means it look like human-y. So where do it?
Brush it out like this.
Not look at it. Me have a teeth that trick ya. You look nice, Gina. Try? You have to try it. Not even no mascara, no nothing. Just brush it with this. So anything can use.
Just have to use one spoon to brush it.
Oh. This spoolie, okay? Okay. Spoolie brush. Spoolie brush. Spoolie.
Yeah. So that's it for our video. Thanks for watching, guys.